Hi friends, this today video is first program in Selenium. This program login logout, and first of all thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. I will write a small test case. This is a manual test case. This is a manual test case. Manual, and this manual test case, how to perform this manual test case in Selenium automation. Okay, let's do that, and I'm explaining step by step. This step by step manual testing. First, launch browser. We will write launch browser syntax. System dot set property. I will write system dot set property and WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. I will write this syntax and I will provide that particular XPath. Selenium is a directly Selenium not operating browsers. The help of Chrome driver and this type of Chrome driver help to operate a particular Selenium. And I click copy and Control V. And I will write test case in one step. Launch browser is successfully running, and next step is what is next step? Next step is enter URL. I will operate the particular driver. How to operate that particular web driver is creating one Chrome. I will create one web driver. WebDriver is help to operate. I will create org dot open the Selenium dot WebDriver to perform that particular operating Chrome related functionalities operating this particular WebDriver, and equal to driver this particular object creating action. That particular action is a enter URL, and I will write small application and copy particular control. I copy it, and I am done. First I am done launch browser. I am done enter URL. Next enter username and enter valid password. Enter valid username. git login button. These steps, how to run it. First of all, that particular objects identified, this particular text box, enter username, this particular object, enter password. These two particular elements, I want this particular element locators. Let's right click on element, right click and inspect, and this element locator, I want text box element locator to send the password, and right click and inspect that, and this name and class available in this. I want name, I select the name and copy the name, and driver dot find element by dot name, control V dot send keys username is Writte, and control S. I will done third option, enter a valid username and enter valid password. I want this step and the username. Right click and just inspect a particular element, and the name is available. I click on element. We don't know element locators, the particular element, the particular locators. Locators are eight types: name, ID, class, XPath, CSS selector, tag name, link text, partial link text. These are the elements, or I will explain it briefly in previous video. To check it out, that video will understanding that and understandable. And this video very lengthy, the topics are covered in separate video. The video I will provide description, you will check it out that video. Diver dot find element y dot name. This is the syntax of finding element. Text user not copy that particular element, not copy, then cut or copy, control V and send keys Writte, and I will done one more test step. This test step also done, but this steps not done. The step is click on login button. Let's write that. Let's write that and let's click on this particular login button. How to find this particular login button? Right click on login button. Just inspect that, and the name, value, class, some locators are there. I want a name, I copy the name, and driver dot find element by dot name, that particular name, paste it, and click on click method is a perform an action, and click method is a click action that will run it very purely. I am run this program. That's steps I have, and login also completed. I will completed manual test cases in automation converted, and let's write the finish that program, and just save and write and run it, and why error is coming, and some system.set property not given more. I will previous XPath error, that particular XPath I want. Developed on Chrome driver.exe controllers this problem. I will check it out that problem. I am replace that problem, it is run it and is running successfully. Launch browser, first step is done and enter URL, and this is a very speed programming. Let's slow that programming. That programming slow, that help of sleep thread.sleep is wait some time, and this condition waiting 3 seconds, 3000 means 3 seconds, and let's run this. And first launch browser, next launch browser, enter URL, after enter URL, login username password, enter login button. This is the first program of Selenium. This is the first program of Selenium, and thank you guys and for the support, love. And this is the second program. We will verify title. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.